Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy. In our earlier videos, we have seen how to add variable products, how to add grouped products, how to add simple products, what are they, what is variations, what is attributes, and all those things we have seen. Now, last but not least, there is one more type of product that we can add to our e-commerce store is affiliate product. What exactly is this affiliate product? Yeah, or let's say I'm an influencer, or I have a blog, or I have some audience to which I want to pitch some products, or I want to suggest few products and earn money from the commission of the products. That's how affiliate marketing works. They have some YouTube channels, or you might know people give affiliate links in the description, or let's say if I'm Amazon affiliate, then I can promote this particular product by using the purchase links. I get purchase links, affiliate links, right? Using those affiliate links, I can earn commission. So that is what is called as affiliate marketing, through in the sense like we are promoting others' product, not our product. If I have an e-commerce store, I can add an affiliate product to this particular e-commerce store as well. And if someone tries to purchase it, they will be redirected to the original website where they can easily click on purchase button, easily purchase the product basically, right? So how to add such kind of affiliate products to my e-commerce website? So to do that, what you need to do is click on add new, and then my affiliate product, or let's say best headphones in market. Let's say whatever it is, whatever the product that is related, or whatever affiliate product that you want to promote through your website, you can add the title. And then let's consider this, we don't have a purchase button, right? So let's open this random product, Zebronics Bluetooth wireless over headphone. Yeah, headphones. So let's say we are selling best headphones in the market, and we need to sell this particular product. We need to promote this particular product. So let's add some description of this particular product. Copy this from here. You need to, write your own content, else your SEO ranking will be down. So yeah, for this demonstration purpose, I need to get some data, right? So I just copied that particular content. And then here under product data, you need to select affiliate product. It's external product, because we are not managing any product data here from our e-commerce store. Rather, we are simply redirecting our customer to that particular website, Amazon. In this case, I'm redirecting it to Amazon. So what I need to do, I need to give product URL here. So if you are an affiliate marketer, then if you need to sign up to affiliate marketing program of Amazon or whatever website you have, and they will give you a special link so that they can track whether customers, right? So you will get an affiliate link. You need to copy that affiliate link and paste it over here. But right now what I'll do is I'll simply copy this product here, URL, and paste it here. Make sure that this link is not a random link. This link should be an affiliate link for you. If you are an affiliate, then you already know how to get this product URL, right? So get this product URL, your customized for your affiliate ID, and then add text like, let's say, get it on Amazon. Get it on Amazon, right? I'll recommend it here. This is the best product. Is the best product in the market, or whatever review I had to add. I'll simply add it here, right? And then scroll down. Okay, so we need to have an image as well here. So let's set an image. Let's upload an image here. Set it as product image, and then gallery also you can add it. Let's add 2 images in our gallery. Perfect. So there are 2 images in our gallery, and now let's click on publish. Just see that we haven't added any pricing over here, because we have simply said that get it on Amazon. So if you see this product over here, if I open it, so right now we have listed this particular product on our website. My customers can come here and see and read about this particular product, what I have to say about this particular product, and as soon as customer is interested to purchase this particular product, they will simply click on get it on Amazon, and they will be redirected to Amazon product page. and through this link they have purchased this particular product. So my tracking will be done using a technology called as cookies and cache. So those things will be done from the backend by this wherever you are affiliate from. So yeah, once the customer purchases the product, then you will get a commission. So this is how affiliate marketing and stuff works. But what is the focus point here is how to add an affiliate product in our e-commerce store, and I have shown you how to add it, right? So if you have more questions, please let me know in the comment section or ask me in the Q&A section, right? So I hope you are clear now. I have shown you an example about this Amazon product, but you can be affiliate of anything, any product, any website, and this is applicable for everything, right? So this is product description, and you can write your own reviews as well, and you can add images or videos so that the customer is convinced to purchase the particular product, and then you can click on update, right? And it will be shown, and once you can also write buy now or something like that if you have a direct checkout button. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I hope you understood what exactly is this affiliate product and how to add this affiliate product to your e-commerce store. So this completes all kinds of products that we can add to our e-commerce store. And still, if you think I have missed any part, or if you are confused with any concept, please let me know in the comment section or ask in the discussion forum, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.